itu family nero inene so ditoni itemba representiga abangina naba akamurani bichana ingona akira gochakuruye mara yanese ogosira ko mheshimiwa mugeni egento ota nayo kakizunare ngware bisi yabege ne kaunda ojobe kitikaunda ile kiruta sanya toro chuna ngora muno munyoyo ojole ke kaunda uri amogeni naje olese gitao elinto naye okwana omoko nyaberambeke ese gisongo ne Kiswahili manya utaka murabalia message yeyenda ketege ndeso munyana Mheshimiwa Rais William Ruto, jana niliona ukichekelea unasema kuwa sisi tumeanza kutetemeka kwa sababu utatushinda kura. I say, boss, vitu kwa ground ni mbaya. Boss, Mr. President, let me tell you and give you simple advice. If you continue abducting our children, if you continue having unfair distribution of national resources to individuals and people, and you leave some of us out of it, we will not vote for you. Your Excellency, when you see a woman who is telling you that SHA and SHIF and SHA are not working, then you abduct her, you arrest her, because you want to discipline her. It means you've lost legitimacy. Your Excellency, where we come from, the Kisii community believes in excellence. The Kisii community has produced the best lawyers like Okomo Moeni, the best judges like Judge Maraga. We have produced our good professors and doctors, and we expect excellence from you. We don't expect mediocrity. And that is why, Your Excellency, I want to tell you, we as a community, even when we are not tribal, where we believe in the country called Kenya, a country that believes in fairness, equity, and democracy, we now have a candidate, and his name is Fred Matiang'i. Sasa Mheshimiwa Rais, sasa wewe jipange. Ujipange na sisi tutakupanga. Wasema no. Pengo ino. Wasema no. Nani ndio